Hi mate, in this video I am trying to show you how to download and install B1G Player on Amazon Firestick. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV service you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First of all, open the downloader app, click on the search bar and put that code 9866980. Just wait for the 5 seconds. It takes 5 seconds for verification. After that, B1G Player is automatically downloading now. Just wait for it to download. Before downloading, I want to say you something. If you are looking for a best IPTV service, you are on the right place. I will give you the IPTV service at affordable price. My service is 20,000 worldwide live channel, 90,000 movies and 20,000 series. After download the B1G Player, install and open it. Now you need a username, password and URL. So put your username, password and URL. If you do not have a username, password and URL, then contact me on WhatsApp. I will give you the username and password. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.